Привет, друзья! Your Russian teacher Alicia is here. Today we are diving into 10 Russian idioms that don't have direct English translations. These are fun, unique, and will make your Russian sound way more natural and a little mysterious. Let's start with как с гуся вода. Как с гуся вода. Как с гуся вода. Literally like water off a goose's back. This means nothing bothers someone, like criticism or gossip just slides off. For example, he doesn't care about rumors at school, как с гуся вода. Next one. Душа в душу. Душа в душу. Душа в душу. Soul to soul means two people are in perfect harmony. Anna and Masha live together, душа в душу. They never argue. Another fun one is кот наплакал. Кот наплакал. Кот наплакал. Кот наплакал. The cat cried. It means there is very little of something. For example, there is кот наплакал milk left in the fridge. We need to buy more. Собаку съесть. Собаку съесть. Собаку съесть. Собаку съесть. To eat a dog. Sounds scary, but it means someone is really experienced at something. For example, don't worry, she has съела собаку on Russian grammar. She can help you. Без царя в голове. Без царя в голове. Без царя в голове. Без царя в голове. Without a tsar in the hat. It's a playful way to say someone is acting foolish. For example, he forgot his homework again. Без царя в голове. Делать из мухи слона. Делать из мухи слона. Делать из мухи слона. Make an elephant out of a fly. This is like making a huge deal out of nothing. For example, stop arguing about one typo. You're делать из мухи слона. Работать спустя рукава. Работать спустя рукава. Работать спустя рукава. Работать спустя рукава. To work with sleeves rolled down. It means doing a lazy job. For example, he just did the report. Работал спустя рукава. We'll need to fix it. Вешать лапшу на уши. Вешать лапшу на уши. Вешать лапшу на уши. Hang noodles at someone's ears. It means lying or tricking someone. Don't believe him. Он вешает лапшу на уши. Хоть кол на голове тиши. Хоть кол на голове тиши. Хоть кол на голове тиши. You can carve a stake on someone's hat. It means someone is stubborn and won't listen. For example, I tried to explain the rules, but он хоть кол на голове тиши. Finally, старый конь борозды не испортит. Старый конь борозды не испортит. Старый конь борозды не испортит. An old horse won't spoil the furrow. It means an experienced person won't mess things up. Let's ask Sergey to lead the team. Старый конь борозды не испортит. Even though some of them you already could hear in my previous videos, it's very good to repeat them once and once again.